Hello guys, welcome to GTDC NCC. I was a couple of hours ago in the shop and I bought something cool cars. Let's take a look what we have found. The first one, that is a nice one. That is the twin mill in dark blue with some chrome. Orange stripes inside, interior is chrome and a yellow window, black wheels and silver tire, silver rims. That is so cool. That is an awesome one. Look at it, how cool it is. We've seen also some white stripes on the hood. Yes, that is cool. It is one of the Dream Garage Series 3 from 5. And it is the number 61 of the 250s of the 2021 series. Nice. The next one. That is a fast bed holder. A cool truck in black, chrome and light blue. And on the side, a gold stripe and a white stripe. I think the interior is not the sea, but it has chrome windows. And look at the front. That is nice. Two for cool wheels. That's black with a gold rim. It's very cool. It is one of the HW Metro Series, the 5 from 10. And it is the number 83 of the 250s. And on the back you can see that you can move the flatbed. That is nice. That's nice. The next one, it's one of a sort kind of a Lego car. It is the custom small block in red, gray and some black, with a white stripe on side and an orange one and a yellow one. And on the side we see the letters, the custom small block. That's a school. Look at it, how cool it is. And there's one from the Experimento series, the 10 from 10. And it is the number 141 of the 250s. And on the back you can also see how you can custom make your car. With the engine block you can remove the roof and the windows. Very nice. Very cool. The next one, that is the 69 Chevelle in a dark blue color with white and gold. The interior is white. The windows are light blue. And it is one from the X-Racer series, the 1 from 5. Wow, cool exhaust pipe on the side. Yes. Black wheels, gold rims, and it is one of the 77 of the 250s. Very cool. The next one is the retroactive in dark red, some chrome, dark blue and black. That is so cool one, with an orange stripe and black stripe on the side and white. The interior is maybe chrome with a dark blue window, and we see the number 1 on the front. It has orange tires with a black rim, and it is one of the Track Star series, the 1 from 5, and it is the number 29 of the 250s, also from this year. Then I've got also something cool from the rally cars. It is the NEX series, and it is the Jaguar XKR Mark S. In dark blue color, black interior, cool rims and wheels. Very cool. The price is also very cool, $2.99. That's cheap. The next one is one of the Hot Wheels Monster Truck series, and I bought it at the Kruidvat. And this is the car. This is Bowser from the Super Mario Brothers. Wow, cool. Little black of a light brown, orange, black, dark green, some white and red. That is so cool. Interior or the base of it is black wheels and yellow tires. You see some details on the car. Not much. Oh, that's cool. We also have a blue crashed car. It is the number 16 of the 75, and it is one of the Super Mario series. Very cool, and also for a good price. Then the next one, that is an awesome one. This is the Invader. Wow, a tank placed on a monster truck. That is cool, mate. Wow. The tank is dark green. You see some black on the side with red and white and yellow. And seeing a yellow base. On the rooftop we see something cool, some kind of saber tooth, I think. Nicely made. The base is black and light gray. Nice. The wheels are triangle wheels in black and yellow, but we see some other wheels how they roll, and they are gray. Very nice. You have a crushed car in the red. This is the number 18 on the 75, and it is one of the twisted threads. The twisted thread series, the number 2 of the 6 series. Very cool, and also for a cool price. Let's go. And the last one that we have is a comic book. It's a comic book, and the comic book is from the Donald Duck, the number 33 from 2021. Every week we have a new comic. When a cool comic in it. This time over Dagobert. Nice. Very nice. The Big Angry Wolf. There's a comic. Wow. That is that is a funny comic. A short comic of Tokitor. Or how do you call it in English? I don't know. Some jokes to laugh. That is cool. A comic of Rakker, the dog. Nice. Cool comic. Nice. A comic of Princess Una. I have never heard of it. A comic of Donald Duck with his neighbor on the beach. That's gonna be funny. Cool. and then een shortcoming of Dagobert. The world of Dagobert. Nice. I think I'm going to read it in the weekend. Well, that's all for tonight, guys. Have a nice day. Like and subscribe on the channel. And I will see you later. Bye.